Hey man, this is the end of the era. End of the era. Can't talk. And this is the end of the era of if you like blue microphones, the brand blue. If you like Yeti, Logitech is gonna drop fucking shit. So it says right here, Logitech retires the blue microphone Yeti. All right, I'm gonna read these two paragraphs right here. Logitech is getting rid of the blue microphone brand. They will now sell the products under the Logitech G gaming brand, and keeping the blue name to describe our technologies. It said blue has been removed from Logitech's brands section of the website, and the bluemic.com domain now is direct to Logitech. All blue products, including the Yeti, the Snowball, and others, are now found only on the Logitech G section of its website. Company has also removed its Astro high brand headsets. I got Astros. I didn't know Astros was a part of Logitech. I forgot. Anyway, the Verge reported the Astro brand will continue to live on a premium console audio product series underneath the Logitech G brand, their gaming brand. Stay tuned for more information regarding Astros, including its launch that we think our community will be very excited about, the company said in the fact on Reddit. And there's also there's a Twitter that you might want to check out, whatever. It seems to me that they're reprioritizing their products. They're dropping I don't know whether or not blue microphone like the Yeti and the Snowball are not generating enough sales, but Astros are. I'm not sure, but yeah, Logitech is like reiterating, what they have in their portfolio, I'm thinking. So it is what it is.